Being a proud owner of your new Caesarstone countertop, you've not only made the right choice when it comes to beauty and design, you've selected a natural work surface which is easy to maintain. Due to its tough nature, Caesarstone is resistant to scratching, stains and heat. Caesarstone worktops are non-porous, and to give you peace of mind, they come with a 10-year warranty. Caesarstone leads the market in 100% hygiene. They've been recognized in their efforts to go green and have been certified by the National Sanitary Foundation for the safety of food preparation and handling in the kitchen, as well as daily living throughout the household. Now that you know that you can rely on Caesarstone, I'd like to give you some tips on how you can keep your work surface stunning and lasting. For day-to-day maintenance, simply wipe with a damp cloth or paper towel. For consistent shine, wipe the entire countertop in a circular motion. By the way, these surfaces do not require any kinds of sealers or wax. To remove fingerprints, coffee rings or watermarks, every now and then give your work surface a more thorough clean using a smooth cleansing cream or gentle household bleach. And once you're done, wipe it down with a dry cloth. Okay, that's the easy part taken care of. Now for the tougher jobs. But remember, as Caesarstone is non-porous, you won't have any problems cleaning off the more resistant stains like oil, vinegar, soy sauce, pen marks, or red wine. Use a cream cleanser or bleach with a non-abrasive sponge. Wipe gently in a circular motion. One of the more popular dishes in Asia is curry. Also, turmeric powder is not an issue on your Caesarstone. For something dry or a sticky-like substance, scrape it off, clean and dry. For those of you who like to sit in your kitchen and paint your nails, don't worry about any nail polish marks staining your Caesarstone. Use a small amount of nail polish remover and wipe it down with a kitchen cloth. Of course, you want your kitchen worktop to look the best. Who doesn't? So don't be overly concerned. It's a very strong surface. Just avoid abrasive sponges and cleansers, such as oven cleaner, toilet cleaner, or any other harsh chemicals. As I said, Caesarstone is one of the toughest surfaces around, but be careful when using hot pots and pans. If you can help it, don't place the hot pot directly onto the surface. Always use a trivet. I suggest for cutting, you should always use a chopping board to avoid marks on your kitchen top. Just before I go, let me quickly tell you that if you have Caesarstone in your bathroom, the same cleaning applications apply. Well, that's me done. I hope you've enjoyed my demonstration. For more information, log on to the website www.caesarstone.com. Bye for now.